Welcome my jelly beans. Today I am going to be doing a look, a mermaid look for a competition that I'm going to be in under the sea. I only have an hour for that competition, but I'm going to do a pretty extensive look for today with some pieces that I've made. I'm going to paint them. I'm going to do like a decrepit mermaid. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump right on into it. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to spray myself a light blue, and then I'm going to go in with a darker blue and add some accents to kind of have siren skin. I've decided that I'm not going to do the half skull look because I have so many props I think it might take away from it. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Here I'm just using a little bit darker of a shade of blue and putting in little spots all over the skin to give it a textured look. Okay, so I am going to set the face with powder. That way we can paint over it, and then these prosthetics will glue. I have these little branch-like things that I painted blue that I'm going to put on my shoulders to kind of stick out, to kind of be like not barnacles, coral maybe? Coral to grow off. I'm going to add some shadows to it to make it a little bit brighter. But I'm going to go ahead and just set myself, and I'll be back. So I am taking an eyeshadow brush with a darker shade, and I'm just going in where I put those dots to kind of make them more pronounced. Again, I'm looking for siren, but like dead. I also might just add a little nose contour because I like a snatchy snatch nose. And then I'm gonna add some highlighter, and then I'm gonna glue these little pieces like right through here. And then I've got some tentacles that I gotta paint, and some starfish, and some little shells that I'm gonna put on my body. So when I get everything painted, I'll be back. I'm just adding a little winged eyeliner or eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of liner to it. And then I'm gonna start gluing things on, and I painted my little tentacles to look like a blue-ringed octopus. I've got several starfish, seashells, and some coral-looking things. And then when I get back, we'll start gluing them on. We're almost done with this look. For the next part, I am going to add some pearls to like right here and right here just to make it look pretty. I just used some glue, eyelash glue, and like a little wax pencil or a dotting tool, depending on where my dotting tool is. I don't know where it is. It's not a dotting tool. It's a gem picker. Sometimes I'm lazy though and don't want to look for it. The way you do this, if you've never applied gems to your face, which a lot of people have, is you take and you put a couple dollops of eyelash glue wherever you want to put them. I'm using pearls, not rhinestones, but you do the same process for rhinestones. I'm trying to put them around my brows, but not in my brows because it hurts if you get it in your brow. I had a reference picture for this, but let me see if I can find it. Yeah. And then I'm going to just do a few down the bridge of the nose. And just maybe one or two there or there. And then you just stick them on, you let it get tacky and stick it on like you do eyelashes. Okay, so I added a little liner, I added my dots. I'm gonna just glue everything on. I use lash glue, you can use latex, but I use lash glue. Hopefully it comes out, and then I have a headpiece, and when I come back, hopefully I am a full mermaid siren thing. See you guys in a minute. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna add a lip too. Alright, this is my finished mermaid look, sea siren look. We've got some corals, some starfish, some little pearls, a couple of little shells. I got a big starfish down here, some blue ring octopuses. I'm going to have a headpiece. I'm going to turn you the other way so you can see everything. I did make all of these things out of clay. If you guys want some videos on that, let me know and I will be happy to film them. Bye!